Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Emma. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, everyone. So happy to be here today.
And today, something very practical, very immediately useful, and very different from anything we have done before.
Patterns, English patterns, the short phrases and expressions that native speakers use constantly, every single day.
Just patterns, ready-made, immediately usable in any conversation, any situation. 18 of them today, part 1 of 2.
And by the end, you will have 18 new expressions, all natural, all ready, all yours.
And before we start, please subscribe to Talk Emma. New episode every single day. Share this with one friend who wants to sound more natural in English.
Okay, let's go. Emma, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
How do you feel about surprises?
What kind of question is that?
Just in general. Do you like them?
Honestly, it depends. Right away, I think no, because I like to plan. But once in a while, a good surprise is lovely.
See, I'm the opposite. I like surprises, although sooner or later they always catch me off guard.
That is because you are too trusting.
Maybe. By the way, how is your new project going? At the moment, I know you've been very busy.
At the moment, exhausting. But in the beginning, I was excited. Now I'm just trying to get through it.
Due to the deadline?
Due to everything. But no doubt it will be worth it in the end.
I hope so. Oh, and as far as I know, Marco was asking about you yesterday.
Really? What did he want?
Just checking in, as usual. You know how he is.
Jack, can I show you something?
Of course.
I have been writing things down while we were talking.
Writing what?
Look, right away, once in a while, sooner or later, at the moment, in the beginning, due to, no doubt, as far as usual.
I said all of those?
Every single one, without thinking, without planning.
I had no idea.
And that is today's topic, because these patterns, they are everywhere in natural English. And once you know them, you'll start using them automatically too.
Just like I did, without even realizing.
Exactly. Let's go through all 18, one by one. Pattern 1, right away.
Meaning immediately, without delay, at once.
For example, I will do it right away. Immediately, no waiting. Or, she called me right away, as soon as she could, immediately.
Very natural, very common, used constantly in both British and American English.
Can you come right away? Very urgent, very immediate.
Right away, when something needs to happen now, without delay.
Pattern 2, at the moment.
Meaning right now, currently, at this point in time.
Like, at the moment, I'm working on something new. Right now, currently. Or, she's not available at the moment. Right now, at this time.
Very natural in British English especially.
And very useful when explaining your current situation.
At the moment, things are quite busy. Now, pattern 3, as soon as possible.
Or ASAP, which is the short form, very common in messages and emails.
Meaning as quickly as you can, in the shortest time possible.
For example, please reply as soon as possible, very common in emails. Or I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Natural, professional. Or try saying, we need this done as soon as possible. Urgency, but polite.
Very useful in work situations, very daily. Pattern 4, even if.
Meaning regardless of whether something happens or not, the result stays the same.
For example, even if it rains, we're going. Rain or no rain, we're going. Or even if I'm tired, I always exercise, regardless of tiredness.
Or something like, even if she says no, at least you tried. The result of trying is positive regardless.
Even if, showing determination, showing that something will happen no matter what.
Very expressive, very powerful. Pattern 5, as if and as though.
Both meaning in a way that suggests something, like something is true even if it's not.
For example, he looked at me as if I had said something strange, like I had. That was the impression. Or she spoke as though she knew everything, like she did. That was how she came across.
Come across meaning how someone appears to others, how they seem.
He comes across as very confident. That is how he appears, how people see him.
As if and as though, both natural, both interchangeable in most situations.
It feels as if summer is finally here. It feels as though summer is finally here. Both correct, both natural.
Pattern 6. Because of.
Meaning as a result of, due to something.
For example, we were late because of the traffic. The traffic caused the lateness.
Or she got the job because of her experience. Her experience was the reason.
Very simple, very daily. You use this constantly. And pattern 7, due to. Very similar to because of.
Like the flight was canceled due to bad weather. Bad weather was the cause. Or due to popular demand, we are adding more episodes. Very natural example.
Very natural example.
Because of, more casual, more everyday. Due to, slightly more formal, more written.
But both natural, both used constantly.
Emma, due to the fact that I skipped breakfast, I am absolutely starving right now.
Jack, you cannot use due to like that in formal writing.
But it felt so natural.
It did, and in spoken English, completely fine. Okay, pattern 8. Pattern 8, by chance.
Meaning accidentally, without planning, by coincidence.
For example, I met her by chance on the street. Not planned, it just happened. Or, by chance, we ended up on the same flight. Coincidence, not planned.
Or something like, did you find this by chance, accidentally, without looking?
By chance, that lovely feeling of the universe arranged this, not me.
Very poetic, very natural. Pattern 9, for a while.
Meaning for a period of time, not permanently, just temporarily.
For example, I lived in Paris for a while. A period of time, not forever. Or, can you wait for a while? Just a short time, not too long.
Or try saying, she was quiet for a while before answering. A period of silence before speaking.
Very natural, very everyday. You will use this constantly.
Pattern 10. Once in a while.
Meaning occasionally, not often, but sometimes.
Like, once in a while, I like to cook something special. Occasionally, not every day. Or, it is good to treat yourself once in a while. Sometimes, not always.
Or something like, once in a while, something surprises you. Occasionally, unexpectedly.
Very warm, very natural, very human phrase.
Once in a while, one of those phrases that just sounds so natural in any conversation. Pattern 11, all of a sudden.
Meaning suddenly, unexpectedly, without warning.
For example, all of a sudden the lights went out. No warning, just happened. Or all of a sudden she started laughing. Unexpected, nobody saw it coming.
Or try saying, all of a sudden I realized what she meant. Sudden understanding, unexpected clarity.
All of a sudden, always that feeling of nobody expected this, it just happened.
Very dramatic, very expressive, very natural in storytelling. Pattern 12, from time to time.
Meaning occasionally, at irregular intervals, not always, but sometimes.
For example, from time to time, I like to go for a long walk alone. Occasionally, when I feel like it. Or, she calls me from time to time. Not regularly, but sometimes.
Very similar to once in a while, but slightly more formal.
Once in a while, casual, warm. From time to time, slightly more formal, more measured. Now pattern 13, now and then, meaning sometimes, occasionally. Same family as once in a while and from time to time.
For example, now and then I miss living in the city. Sometimes, not always. Or we still meet now and then. Occasionally, not regularly.
3 very similar patterns. Once in a while, from time to time, now and then.
All meaning occasionally, all natural, all slightly different in feel.
Having all 3 makes your English so much richer, so much more varied. Pattern 14, sooner or later.
Meaning eventually, at some point, it will happen, just a matter of when.
For example, sooner or later you will have to make a decision. Eventually, it cannot be avoided. Or sooner or later, things always work out. In time. Eventually.
Very reassuring, actually. Sooner or later, things will happen.
Sooner or later, your hard work will pay off. Very encouraging, very warm.
One of those phrases that just feels right when someone needs encouragement. Pattern 15, no doubt.
Meaning, certainly, without question, I am sure of this.
Like, no doubt she will do brilliantly. I am certain, no question about it. Or, this will no doubt take some time. Certainly, it is expected.
Or something like, no doubt you have already thought of this. I'm sure. I expect so.
No doubt, confidence, certainty, without hesitation.
Very natural, very expressive, very British, actually. Pattern 16, as far as.
Meaning, to the extent that, based on what I know or can see.
For example, as far as I know, the meeting is at 3. Based on my knowledge, I believe this. Or, as far as I can tell, everything is fine. From what I can see, my assessment.
Or try saying, as far as I'm concerned, this is settled. From my perspective, in my view.
As far as, always about the limits of your knowledge or perspective.
Very honest, very natural, very useful in any conversation. Pattern 17, in addition.
Meaning also, furthermore, and also, adding more information.
For example, in addition, we need to consider the budget. Also, and there's more. Or, she is talented. In addition, she works incredibly hard. Adding a point, making it stronger.
Very useful when making arguments, when building a point step by step.
In addition to everything else, she is incredibly kind. And on top of all that.
In addition, very natural in both spoken and written English, and pattern 18, on the other hand.
Meaning looking at the opposite side, considering another perspective.
For example, I love living in the city. On the other hand, the countryside is so peaceful, but there is another side to consider. Or, it's expensive. On the other hand, the quality is excellent, but considering the other side.
On the other hand, showing balance, showing you can see both sides. Very mature, very thoughtful, very natural in discussions and decisions. On the other hand, maybe we should wait a little longer, considering another angle.
Beautiful phrase. Very useful, very impressive when used naturally.
Now, one complete natural conversation using all 18 patterns, the way real people talk.
How are you doing? At the moment, you seem a little tired.
Honestly, I am. Due to everything going on at work, I have not been sleeping well.
I noticed that. Is it because of the new project?
Partly, and even if I finish everything on time, I still worry about the next thing.
That sounds exhausting. Is there anything I can do right away to help?
Not right away, but as soon as possible, I would love to just sit and talk properly, like this.
Of course. And by the way, I ran into Sophia by chance yesterday.
Oh, really? How is she?
She is well. She mentioned she has been thinking about you from time to time.
That is sweet. I should call her. I have been meaning to for a while.
You should. Once in a while, it is good to reconnect with people.
I know. And all of a sudden, I feel a little guilty for not calling sooner.
Don't. Sooner or later, life gets in the way for everyone.
That is true. No doubt she understands. As far as I know, she does. She spoke very warmly about you.
That makes me feel better. In addition, I think I'm going to take some time off after this project.
That sounds like a very good idea. On the other hand, knowing you, you'll fill the time off with more projects.
That is absolutely true. I can't help it.
Now and then, you need to just rest, Emma. As usual, you are doing too much.
I know. For a while at least, I'm going to try.
And did everyone catch all 18 patterns? 18 patterns. One Sunday afternoon conversation.
And nothing felt forced, nothing felt unnatural.
Just two friends talking, and 18 patterns appearing naturally, effortlessly.
Because that's what happens when you truly know these expressions.
They just come, without thinking, without planning.
And now they will come for you too.
And in part 2, 17 more.
Starting today, starting right now, starting with your very next conversation. If today's episode gave you patterns you will actually use,
Please like this video.
subscribe to Talk Emma,
Share this with one friend who wants to sound more natural in English.
and leave us a comment. Which pattern was completely new for you today? Or write one natural sentence using any pattern from today.
We read every single comment. Every one.
Thank you for being here. See you in part 2. Until then,
Keep talking, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye, everyone.